Hi guys, welcome to my space. Today I'm super excited. Okay, I'm so excited. The reason is I'll be enjoying myself in school today. Yeah, see, yeah, we made like a plan. We'll soon be writing our final exam. So before the exam, there's a teacher of ours that will be having a wedding. So we decided to do like a send-forth party for him because we won't be seeing him before the exam because they won't be the ones supervising us for their course. Okay, so because of his wedding and all of that stuff, we'll be doing like a send-forth party for him. Okay, so we discussed like we should do a get together. Okay, like a get together, everybody should just do one or two things in their house, cook little food or bake little stuff, anything you can do in your house. So everybody will bring it to school, enjoy ourselves. We've done something like this before, but I think this one will be the big one. So for me, I'll be making meat pies and puff puff. Okay. So I'll try my possible best to make it as delicious as possible. As delicious as possible. I'm excited because I love doing get-togethers. Okay. So I've already mixed, everything together, like the flour, the baking powder, everything. I've mixed it and I'm waiting for it. Like I've just keep it there to, you know, do a thing for a while before I go back in start baking it. Okay, so look at the eye check. This is it. Let me show you like this. Oh my god, you see I covered it for some time because it's already a dough now. So I'll go back to it later and work on it. So I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm not the one doing this recording. It's my friend, my classmate. Okay, she's the one recording this video. Okay, when I was watching this video, hey, I laughed and laughed and laughed. It was so funny, the way she was speaking her dialect, Edo language. Oh,
Eat it time, everybody.
it was so funny, and this was fun, guys. Hey, I was super excited because me, I like this small food though. Hey, like the popcorns. I really enjoy the popcorns. Look at the meat pie I baked. Look at it. Oh,
And to
Brenda, you
eat.
can bake for Africa.
Ashley, on
If
Samuel
you
Dali.
listen to what this
Only
guy say
Samuel
here,
Dali.
you shout. If you're a Benin person, you understand. If you know, you know. she
Bon appetit,
Man,
oh.
I was like, oh, thank God she made this video because I could not
Oh,
even
eat
make
it time.
video on my own. Hey, my phone, somehow. So she made this video and she posted it in our group, we that is in this,
Oh no, me.
we are in this class. We have a group.
We are
You
doing
get, so I got this video from that
send
group.
off
Look at
for.
me. Hey, me, I'm growing big. Oh, Jesus
Hello.
Christ.
We are
This
doing send
one,
off
these
for
are
our teacher.
all
He's
our
getting married
class,
tomorrow. That's the teacher there.
our
Aguri,
classmates.
bro. In advance.
Look at our teacher over there,
Aguri,
the
prof.
one with the eyeglasses,
Aguri,
the one. Look
Aguri.
at him, he's the one waving, he's the one doing his wedding, and he's really young. He's really young, and I think the wife too will be young. Okay, oh, look at me. See, I like food there. You see me now, I'll cross over to the other side and start eating. Look at this, our cosmate. This one, only two hands he knows how to show. Oh my god, this is so funny. I was really happy about this
Camera
thing
woman.
we did. Okay,
Camera
it
woman.
brought unity, and to everybody, we united together, ate
Thank you.
together, and it was really fun. Okay, we are all one Africa. In fact, the world is one. So we have the same blood flowing in our veins, so we all are one. We are planning to take pictures here. We were just
Eat
arranging
it time.
ourselves,
In the school.
to take pictures, and the pictures was really beautiful. They sent it to us and we really love the pictures. Okay, so see all
And
of
to
us, we
eat.
are eating. Look at
Aguri, prof.
look at
Prof, in
Brenda, look at me,
advance.
look at me. Hey, look at me. I'm super excited though because I've seen things to eat with my mouth. Me that like eating chochocho. Look at our teacher. This was where we gifted him. He was saying no, it's too much, because we love him so much. He will teach you till you understand by fire by force. This man, he can teach. Look at him. He really appreciated, and we're glad we did what we did. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited though. I was really shy. See, you see me walking around. Look at me. I'll be eating everything I see I eat. Oh my goodness, look at Papa. This man, he can talk for Africa. Hey.
Mohamed, ciao.
Ho chiamato, ha detto, te lo porto io che ha cavatiere. Non saranno finiti
Brenda, ciao Ciccia.
Io voglio 100 euro per mia foto, eh.
Non è foto.
Le mie immagini costano tanto.
Ma dai, non lo sapevo. Sei VIP.
Così brutto.
Vale tanto.
magari non è bello questo che abbiamo, è bello ciò che abbiamo.
Bravo. Conè, non mi sei perso tu.
Anche te, dammi, no, aspetta. Anche te.
No, io ce l'ho.